Assalamu alaikum students. Students, today I am doing question number 6 of exercise 6.1, which is at page number 120. I am reading question number 6. Question number 6 is from book. For what value of k is x plus 4 the HCF of x square plus x minus 2k plus 2 and 2x square plus kx minus 12 is? This is your question number 6. So, what is given for your question number 6 is they have given you HCF of this polynomial and this polynomial, okay. And what is HCF? Its HCF is x plus 4. They have given you in question that x plus 4 is the HCF of these two polynomials. And what is required? Value of k. You have to find out this value. Now, in solution, students, as you know, HCF, what is the meaning of HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor, means x plus 4, this x plus 4 is common factor of this polynomial or this algebraic expression or and this algebraic expression, okay. It is common of these two algebraic expressions. And factors, you know, factor shows that this x plus 4, it's a factor, it divide this polynomial and this polynomial completely. What does this completely show? It shows that when you divide this polynomial or this polynomial by this factor, your remainder is 0, okay. As you have done in your exercise 5.3 and 5.4, you know very well the meaning of factor, that is when you put this value without division, when you put the value of x in these two factors, your remainder will be 0. So, I am doing the same. In solution, I will start it from let p of x students कोई भी ले लें आप students, you can take this algebraic expression as p of x or this algebraic expression as p of x, because it is common factor of both algebraic expression, okay. I am taking this one, right. आप students अपने घर पे खुद on your rough notebooks you can check this algebraic expression, okay. Let's suppose p of x is x square plus x minus 2k plus 2. This is my p of x. So, as we have done in previous 5.3 and 5.4, let on my rough I will equate this factor equal to 0 and I will get the value of x, that is minus 4. So, putting x is equals to minus 4. Minus 4 हम put कर लेते हैं. P of minus 4 whole square minus 4 is 2. So, minus 4 16 minus 4 plus 2 and then it is 12 minus. Now, I am open I am going to open this parenthesis and signs will change, minus minus. Okay, I hope students these steps are clear to you. Now, what is given? As given, what is given? X plus 4, this is given, okay. This is HCF. As given, x plus 4 is a factor. This implies therefore remainder is equals to 0. So, what is remainder? You know, oops, I haven't solved it. मैं इसको solve कर लेती हूँ. 12 minus 2, it's 10 minus 2k. So, my remainder is 10 minus 2k. I equate this is equals to 0. So, 10, I am shifting this negative to the other, it becomes 2k, or I can write it as 2k is equals to 10 and k is equals to 10 by 2, that is k is equals to 5, right students. So, this is value of my question number 6, that is k is equals to 5. I hope students this question number 6 is very simple and it's clear to you. Just you have to put the value of this x and equating this remainder is equal to 0, and you will get the value of k is equals to 5. Now its next question. What is its next question? Next question is okay. Next question is, I am reading next question number 7. It says if x plus 3 and x minus 2 is the HCF of p of x is equals to x plus 3 into 2x square minus 3x plus k, and q of x is equals to this, find k and l. Again students, they have given you HCF, they have given you factor of two polynomials, okay. And you know, whenever you have factor, it means it divides the polynomial completely, that is remainder is equals to 0, okay. Now what is given for question number 7? What is given? Given is x plus 3, if means this is given, okay. X plus 3 and x minus 2 is HCF of p of x. What is p of x? It's x plus 3 into 2x square minus 3x plus k. This is p of x. And what is q of x? X minus 2, 3x square plus 7x minus l, okay. This is given, and what is required? Required is find the value of k. क्या है? Values of k and l, ये हमने find out करना है. Now come to its solution. Again its solution is very simple. They have given you that these two factors are the HCF of these two polynomials, okay. It means कि first you will equate this equal to 0. We will start or from this, that consider x plus 3, x minus 2 is equals to 0, because they are factor and I have to take the value. X plus 3 is equals to 0, x minus 2, both product 0, it means first is equals to 0 or second is equals to 0, minus 3, and x is equals to 2. So I have these two values of x. Now next step is what I am going to do. I have to put these two values one by one in these given polynomial, okay, to find the value of k and l. You know, when I put value of any these of two in my first polynomial, that is p of x, I will get the value of k, ठीक है, और second में put करने से I will get the value of l. So sorry, so first मैं put कर लेती हूँ. Now p of x is equals to x plus 3, 2x square minus 3x plus k. This is my p of x, okay. I am going to put x is equals to minus 3. See, if I put x is equals to minus 3, look students, what happened? So p of minus 3 plus 0, 0 into this whole factor is equals to 0, and you cannot find the value of k, okay. So this is the reason that now I am going to put the value of x is equals to 2, okay, right, because ये factor है तो factor completely divide कर देता है, remainder 0. Now putting x is equals to 2. You will direct put x is equals to 2. The previous steps I explained to you just for telling you that I am not putting this minus 3. Why I am not putting x is equals to minus 3? Because the answer will be 0 and I cannot get the value of k. That is why I am putting x is equals to 2. P of 2, 2 plus 3, 2 into 2 whole square, k. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 6 plus k, and 2 plus k, p of 2. As you know, what you know that the factor x plus 2 and x plus 3 and x minus 2, these are factors. So when these are factor, remainder is equals to 0. Now as x minus 2 is a factor, you know HCF is HCF, so remainder is equal to 0. And what is my remainder? This is my remainder. 5 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. As you know, 5 is a constant, it is not equal to 0. Therefore 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 plus k is equals to 0, and from here you get the value of k, that is k को यहीं रखा, shift this positive 2 to the other side, it becomes minus 2. So this is value of k. From your first polynomial you get the value of k, that is k is equals to minus 2. Now students, second, for second value, again q of x. What is my q of x? Q of x is x minus 2, 3x square plus 7x minus L. This is my q of x. As you know, if I put x is equal, I have two values, x is equals to one values, x is equals to minus 3, and other value is x is equals to 2. If I put, let's suppose 2 in here, let's see, 2 minus 2 into this, 2 minus 2, it becomes 0, and 0 multiplied with this factor is 0. So again the same thing, I cannot get the value of L when I put x is equals to 2. So that is why I am putting x is equals to minus 3, this first value, putting x is equals to minus 3, q of minus 3, minus 3 minus 2, 3 into minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 minus L, and q of minus 3 is equals to minus 5, 3 3s are 9, you know negative having even power, is equals to plus 9, 3 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 7 3s are 21 minus L. So minus 5, 27 minus 21, 6 minus L. Okay, and again the same thing same thing you will write after finding your remainder. What will you write? As x plus 3 is a factor, because I put x plus 3, x is equals to minus 3 in this factor q of x में, ठीक है यहाँ पर, as x plus 3 is a factor, therefore remainder is equals to 0. My remainder, this is my remainder, minus 5 into 6 minus L is equals to 0. Same thing as minus 5 is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, तो क्या हमारे पास 0 आएगा? The other factor, okay, the other factor. Therefore 6 minus L is equals to 0. Look students, this is a constant, this is not equal to 0, so my this factor is equals to 0, and 6 is equals to, I shift this negative to the other side, it becomes plus L, or L is equal to 6. So this is the value of L, which is equals to 6. So now I got all these values, k and the value of L. So this is your question number 7. Okay students, now question number 8 I am reading. LCM and HCF of two polynomials p of x and q of x are this and this respectively. If p of x is equals to this, find q of x. Okay, LCM and HCF of two polynomials are this and this respectively. Respectively means, you know, the first value they have given you is the value of first LCM, and the second value they have given you is the value of HCF. Okay, so in given, what is LCM? LCM is this one they have given you, if and HCF is this one, ये भी given है, and one more thing is given, that P of x polynomial is given, right? Now what is your required? Q of x, this is another polynomial, you have to require another polynomial. It means ke when you have two algebraic expressions, then you can find LCM and HCF. One with one algebraic expression or with one polynomial, you cannot find its HCF and LCM. Obviously, they have given you LCM and HCF. First factor is given, first algebraic expression is given, first polynomial is given, but second is unknown. Now your target is to find the unknown. Now in such situation, when you have a polynomial, when you have LCM and when you have HCF, okay, you will use a relation. Now here onward, 8th, 9th, 10th, you will use this relation. And what is that relation? This relation is it's a product of P of x, product of two polynomials. Okay, what are they? P of x and Q of x, these are two polynomials, and their product is always equals to HCF multiply by its multiply, okay, not x, HCF into LCM. यहाँ पे भी मैं यूँ डाल लेती हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, ताकि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. So products of two polynomial is always equal to HCF and LCM. Now they will give you three known values to find the fourth unknown. In this part, what they have given you, this is an important relationship. This is a relationship between HCF, LCM and polynomials. So what is the relation? Product of two polynomials is always equals to product of HCF and LCM. Now here they have given you LCM, this value, they have given you HCF, and they have given you one polynomial. You have to find the other polynomial. I hope students this relationship is clear to you. Just you will learn this relationship, okay. MCQs में भी आ जाती है, what is relationship between HCF and LCM. So from in solution I will start. This is required, I have it's required, okay. Now in solution, what is its solution? As you know, P of x into Q of x is equal to HCF into LCM. This is P of x. Okay, ऐसा करती हूँ, to get more space I should start from here. Solution as P of x into Q of x is equal to HCF into LCM, right students? Now you want the value of Qx. This is unknown. Q of x as it is yahi rakhe, shift this polynomial to the other side. You know it is multiplying over here on right hand side, left hand side, it is multiplying. When you shift this polynomial to the other side, तो आपके क्या होगा? When I divide this to the when I shift this P of x to the other side, it will divide HCF and LCM. Okay students, now you will put the values as you have HCF, LCM, P of x, everything you have. Just you will put values. I am putting values. X plus 1, what is value of HCF? Value of HCF is this one, multiply by what is value of LCM? It's 2. And what is value of polynomial? It's x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, right? Now you have to solve. Q of x is equals to x plus 1, you have to simplify it, okay. X plus 1 as it is, x square plus 1 into 2, and x4 minus 1. x4 I am writing it in standard form, that is x square whole square minus 1 whole divided by, I am factorizing its denominator, it can be factorized, okay. X square is common, x plus 1 is common, x plus 1, okay. So Q of x is equals to x plus 1, x square plus 1 into 2, and I am using formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square. A square minus b square, as you know, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So you will write therefore and यहाँ पर formula लिख दीजिएगा, ठीक है. I'm just applying its formula. It's x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. What is a? A is x square. This is a. Okay, a plus b and a minus b. And then yes, whole divided by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So let's see cancellation of common factors. X plus 1 cancel with x plus 1 and x square plus 1 cancel with x square plus 1. What is left? 2 into x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. This is q of x. So q of x is equals to 2. Now again I am applying formula a minus b and a plus b. What is a? A is here yes, you can cut, वैसे भी हो सकते हैं. Otherwise I don't want to apply formula. If you don't want to apply formula, so you don't open this formula. Okay, leave it as it is, and when you factorize this, you will get the factor of x plus 1 and x square plus 1, and then you will cancel. Okay, वो भी ज़्यादा है, मैं second method भी करके बता देती हूँ. Here I am closing it, that is x square whole square minus 1 whole square and 2 into x4 minus 1. So this is my second polynomial, right? Now I am doing again its second, ये जो मैंने भी आपको explain किया है. If you do not want to open this formula, ठीक है, वो भी हो सकता है. I think वो ज़्यादा easy है. What you will do, that you will write x plus 1 its second, right students? It's second method from here onward. X square plus 1 into 2 into x4 minus 1 whole divided by x square is common, x plus 1 is common, x plus 1. So into 2 as it is divided by x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Look, these two factors cancel with each other and your answer is, I think this is more simpler. So I must say you people will go for this method. The previous one I opened this formula, then at the end I again close this formula, so वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. So go for this second method, right students? So this is your question number 8 to find the second polynomial. Second polynomial is this one. This is my first polynomial, this is my second polynomial, and HCF and LCM of these two polynomial is this one given, जो हमारे पास given था. Now the turn of its question number 9. Question number 9 is again I am reading it from book. It's a very simple question. Let p of x is equals to this. This is p of x, and q of x is equals to this. This is your q of x. If the HCF, again this is given, if HCF, this is HCF of p of x, q of x is this one, find LCM. What is your required LCM? I'm just giving you hints that in solution you will use the relationship between HCF and LCM, that p of x or it is HCF and HCF into LCM, it is equals to p of x into q of x. As you know, product of HCF and LCM is equals to this one. So your required is to find LCM. So p of x, q of x क्या कर देंगे, shift कर देंगे HCF को over here. Now what will you do? You will put the values of p of x, q of x, HCF. You will after putting values cancel like factors आप कर लें up and down, and और आप इनमें formula apply कर सकते हैं, then cancel हो सकते हैं और direct cancel हो सकते हैं. You will see. Okay, then after cancellation you get LCM. This will be your required answer, right? I hope you can do question number 9. Now I am doing its question number 10. Now question number 10, I am reading question number 10. Let the product of LCM and HCF of two polynomials be x plus 3, this one. Product, what is given? Product of LCM and HCF, the product is given, okay. So I put this multiplication sign, LCM and LCF, their product is given. If means given, again this is also given one polynomial. I am giving first polynomial the name as p of x is, if p of x is this one and the second polynomial is this one, q of x is equals to this one. They gave you in book first polynomial and second polynomial. I gave them name as p of x and q of x. What is, find the value of k, you have to find this value of k, okay. So again using the same relationship as I have told you that you have to learn this relationship. It uses in question number, this relationship you see I am using this in question number 8, 9, 10th, in these 3 questions. Now come to its solution. What we'll do in solution, obviously I will start from as LCM and HCF product is equals to p of x and q of x, their product. What is value of HCF and LCM? LCF, this is value, okay, this is the value. I am putting values x plus 3 whole square, x minus 2, x plus 5, and p of x key value into, what is value of q of x? X square plus kx plus 15. What I have done, students, I wrote this relationship between HCF and LCM, then I put the values and values are given. Now see on both left hand side and right hand side, if you see, you will observe that x plus 3 is present on both my sides and then x minus 2 is present. So I am going to divide this expression by x plus 3 and x minus 2 so that they will cancel with each other. Dividing both sides by x plus 3 x minus 2, डिवाइड कर लेते हैं हम. तो डिवाइड करने के बाद x plus 3 whole square, x minus 2, x plus 5 is equals to x plus 3 x minus 2 x square plus kx plus 15. Look students, यहाँ पे भी मैंने in the denominator I have written these two factors and over here x plus 3 and x minus 2. Now they will cancel with each other. X plus 3 cancel with its first power, x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 2. What is left? What is left? On my left hand side I have x plus 3 and x plus 5, and on my right hand side x square plus kx plus 15. Okay, these two values, these factors are left on left hand side and right hand side. Now I will multiply these two factors. Multiplying these two factors on my left hand side, it becomes x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 plus 15. So x square plus 8x plus 15, x square plus kx plus 15. Now student, again from here onward you have two methods. First you can use transportation method, that you will shift these three terms to this side and equal to 0. X square cancel with x square, 15 cancel with 15, and you get the value of k. I am doing its second method, that is comparing on both sides. I am not using transportation method. I am comparing. Comparing is very simple. What does this comparing shows? That you will equate these two equations. Look, on my left hand side my first term is x square, on my right hand side my first term is x square. Again On my left hand side it is 15 and it is also 15. Now what is left? Middle term को भी हम compare कर लें तो 8x sorry, what is coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is 8 and here coefficient of x is k. So और लिख लेते हैं और k is equals to 8. This is very simple. Okay, direct by comparison I got the value of k, that I observe the coefficient of x over here and observe the coefficient of x over here, and the value of k is 8, right. So this is my question number. I have done with this question number 10. Yes, 10. Now the last question of this exercise is question number 11. Again it's very simple. Question number 11. Question number 11 is Waqas wishes to distribute 128 bananas and also 176 apples equally among a certain number of children. Find the highest number of children who can get the fruit in this way. So what is given in question number 11? Given is two numbers 128 and 176. These two numbers are given, and what is required? Required is your find the highest number of children. Okay, highest number of children, so that क्या कर रहा है, who can get the fruit, आपके पास equally fruit distribute करना चाह रहा है. He want to distribute 128 bananas and 176 apples equally among certain number of children. And how many children can get equally amount of bananas and other thing is apples. See students, there are two numbers 128 and 176. You have to find highest number. Highest numbers mean HCF. Okay, you know HCF is highest common factor. So highest word is present, it means HCF find out करना है. You can find its HCF by factorization or by division. I am finding its HCF by factorization. So prime numbers of 128 are 128, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2. Factorization और prime factors लिख लेते हैं, और simply 128 is equals to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 176, prime factors of 176. Two times 4 times 2 and then 11. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 and 11. So what is common factor? Common factor is 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 numbers are common. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Therefore HCF is equals to 16, and how you will write? You will write at the end that highest, therefore highest number of children is equals to 16. It means among 16 students he distribute equal number of bananas and apples. So with this question, your exercise 6.1, which is at page number 119 and 120, it is completed. I hope students this exercise is clear to you. It's very simple. If you have very strong concept on factorization, midterm breaking, then you can do this question, these questions or this exercise very easily. Now I'm doing its example, which is at page number, it's very important example, it is at page number 118, it's example number 2. Okay students, now you have to do examples at page number, they are very simple and they are important examples too. You have to do examples at page number 115, then at 116, 117. Okay, and I am doing its example number 2, which is at page number 118. It is a very important example. Okay, and इसमें एक concept use हो रहा है, which I have to give you people. Okay, and what is that concept? Now see, listen. In example number 2, they have given you p of x polynomial, this polynomial, and this q of x, again another polynomial. It's better मैं read कर लेती हूँ from book 118 page पे. So example number 2 is find LCM. This is required. What is required? Required is LCM. This is required. Okay, and they have given you p of x and q of x. Now look, if I use this relationship, what is the relationship? That HCF and LCM, it is equals to p of x and q of x, product of p of x and q of x. So for finding LCM, as I have done in exercise questions, you should have 3 things to find unknown, one unknown. Here they have given you p of x, q of x, but they don't give you HCF, right? But because for finding LCM, you should know what is HCF. From these two polynomials, you cannot find its LCM direct by factorization, because these two polynomials are like you cannot factorize them. Okay, in this level, otherwise हो सकते हैं higher classes में, but in this level you cannot factorize. So that is why I am using the relationship of LCM into HCF is equals to p of x into q of x. For using that relationship, I will first find HCF, right students? So HCF of these two polynomials, again these two factorization is difficult for these two polynomials, so I am finding its HCF by Devian method. I hope Devian method की आपने you students have done a lot practice, because HCF by Devian it is very important. और पास पेपर्स में अगर देखें तो आप स्टूडेंट्स को ये यूजली आया हुआ होता है, राइट? नाउ for finding HCF, you know, first polynomial will be your any of two polynomial. One of these two polynomial is divisor and other is dividend. So I am taking this as a divisor, 6x cube minus in solution. It's better कि आप स्टूडेंट्स पहले रिलेशनशिप लिख लें, as LCM into HCF is equals to p of x into q of x, right? So LCM will be p of x into q of x whole divided by HCF. This name this equation as 1. So first I am going to find this HCF, right? HCF find out करते हैं हम. Now HCF, yes, मैंने आपसे क्या कहा था, इसको I am taking as divisor and I am writing this as dividend. Okay, so simple division, 6x cube. You can take this as a divisor and this as a dividend, बस वो first लिखा है, that is why मैंने उसको पहले ले लिया, because these two are of same degree and same coefficients, they are equal. ठीक है, जो मैंने concept दिया था आप students को कि look the degree is same, coefficients are same, so it's up to you, आप किसको dividend and divisor ले लें. minus 7x square minus 27x plus 8, leave some space, minus. So what will be my answer? My answer will be this will cancel, 17 और 7 क्या आ जाएगा, it's 24x square and plus 36x and minus 12. Now wait or stop for a minute, that you will observe this degree. You know this degree is less than this degree of this polynomial or expression. So when you have such case, you will take common if it is possible, and you will make or write this as a divisor. Okay, I am going to take common. 12 is common, so 12 2s are 2 times, 12 3 times, and minus 1. Look, my divisor become more simpler. So ignore 12, this is important, you have to write this one, ignore 12. So 2x square plus 3x minus 1, और मेरे पास क्या हो गया, ये it becomes 2x square plus 3x minus 1, and my this 6x cube minus 7x square minus 27x plus 8, it becomes my dividend. So 2x square plus 3x, how many times? It's 3, 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9x square minus 3x. So what is left? 9 7 minus 16x square, and plus minus minus, and the sign of greater value, plus 8. Now minus, again see degrees of these two polynomials are same, so no need to take common or making divisor or shifting of divisor and dividend. So as it is, continue करले, minus 2 8s are 16x square minus minus 24x and minus minus plus 8. Therefore HCF, what is HCF? Your HCF is 2x square plus 3x minus 1. This is your HCF, square plus 3x minus 1. So putting this value of HCF in equation number 1, जो आपने नेम दिया हुआ था equation number 1, वहाँ पुट कर लीजिए आप. Putting value of HCF in 1. 1 was LCM is equals to P of x into Q of x divided by HCF. Now I am going to put all the values. P of x क्या था मेरे पास? P of x was 6x cube minus 7x square minus 27x plus 8. And what is my Q of x? Q of x is 6x cube plus 17x square, 9x minus 4, and whole divided by, what was my HCF? 2x square plus 3x minus 1. This is my HCF. Now you know HCF divide expression completely because it is highest common factor, and factor means that the remainder is 0. Now it's up to you. You divide this polynomial by this divisor or divide this polynomial by this divisor. Answer will be same. Okay, there will be no change in the answer if you make this as a dividend or this as a dividend. I am taking this as a dividend, so I am separately writing it as plus 8 whole divided by 2x square plus 3x minus 1 into 6x cube plus 17x square 9x minus 4. Okay students, I am dividing this polynomial with this, and after dividing I am giving it as equation number 2. After dividing or finding the value, I will put that value over here, LCM मैं यहाँ put कर दूँगी, and that will be your answer. राइट. सो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. माई फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल वॉज क्या था, HCF वॉज 2x क्यूब, सॉरी 2x स्क्वायर, और डिवाइड करते हैं. एंड विद इन सोल्यूशन यू हैव टू डिवाइड आफ्टर इक्वेशन नंबर 2, राइट. ये नहीं है कि यू विल डिवाइड इन रफ एंड पुट द वैल्यू, नो, इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ योर सोल्यूशन. यहाँ लिख लेती हूँ. नाउ 6x क्यूब माइनस 7x स्क्वायर माइनस 27x प्लस 8, 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x. डिवाइड करते हैं जी. 2 3s are 6 x क्यूब माइनस 3 3s are 9 x स्क्वायर minus 3x, leave some space, divide, plus minus minus, and the sign of oops, I have written over here plus, and it's minus, yes, minus minus plus and sign of greater value, that is minus 16x square, and minus plus minus sign of greater value plus 8. I just bring this down, right. So minus 2 8 times 16x square minus plus minus 2 8 is 24 and minus minus plus 8. Putting in equation number 2. Equation number 2 मेरे पास क्या थी? Therefore LCM is equals to, when I divide this by this, my answer is this one, 3x minus 8. Remember students, I am just dividing, I am not finding it HCF. HCF में ये आपके पास होता है, but in division you have this as a quotient, ठीक है. 3x minus 8 and my other polynomial was 6x cube plus 17x plus 9x minus 4. ओके. और मैं थोड़ा सा इधर करके लिख दूँ आप स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. सो इज माई डस्टर. ओके, दोबारा लिख देते हैं. सो LCM is equals to 3x minus 8 into 6x cube plus 17x square plus 9x minus 4. This is a new concept in which they have given you only two polynomials and required is LCM, right. So this is the solution how you will find when you LCM, when you have only two polynomials. HCF is not given. First you will find it HCF of two polynomials, and then you will use the relationship and find its LCM. I hope students this example is also clear to you. So with this students take care and Allah Hafiz.